Feeling constantly stressed? You're not alone, and that's okay. So let's have a heart-to-heart and talk about it. But what if you could help your body manage stress naturally? Imagine that. Adaptogens, herbs and mushrooms used for centuries, are here to help. They're gaining attention for their amazing ability to help the body find balance. They help us adapt to stress, and that's pretty incredible. All supported by a growing body of scientific research. Adaptogens support your body's ability to deal with anxiety, fatigue, and so much more, helping you return to a stable, happy internal state. Think of them as a thermostat for your stress response. How cool is that? Helping lower cortisol when it's high, and restoring energy when you're feeling depleted. Today, I'll show you 5 easy, delicious recipes you'll love to help you incorporate adaptogens into your daily routine. Okay? Let's do this. Let's build a more resilient system from the inside out together. First up, the Calm Smoothie. Yummy and chill at the same time. Featuring Ashwagandha, one of the most studied adaptogens for stress. Chronic stress keeps your cortisol high, but ashwagandha can help bring it down, as shown in multiple clinical trials. For the smoothie, blend a ripe banana, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of almond butter, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half to 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. The banana and almond butter provide nerve-supporting nutrients, so good for you, while cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, delicious and healthy. Blend until smooth and creamy. The creamy base masks the ashwagandha's earthy flavor, so tasty. Drink in the morning or early afternoon for a calm, steady mood. Consistency is key, ladies and gentlemen. Adaptogens work best when taken regularly, but as always, be cautious. If you are taking any prescribed medications, always check with your primary care provider before starting a herbal regimen. Some medications can have negative interactions with herbal mushroom supplements, so err on the side of caution and check with your doctor first. Next, a Reishi Sleepy Time Latte for better sleep. Reishi mushroom calms the nervous system, helping you transition into deep restorative sleep. Its triterpenes downregulate stress and support your immune system. For the latte, gently heat a cup of oat or almond milk. Whisk in a teaspoon of reishi powder, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a little honey or maple syrup. Sip this about an hour before bed as part of your wind-down ritual. The act of preparing and drinking it signals your brain it's time to rest. Pairing reishi with a nightly routine can transform your sleep quality. Enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. For mental fatigue, try a Rhodiola focus tea. Rhodiola rosea boosts energy and focus by supporting neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, without the jitters of caffeine. It helps regulate cortisol, giving you steady energy and mental clarity. To make, pour hot water over half a teaspoon of rhodiola extract, a slice of fresh ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Add honey if you like. This tea is perfect for mid-morning or early afternoon focus. You'll feel energized and clear-headed, not wired. It's endurance for your mind. Adaptogens aren't just for drinks. Try holy basil, tulsi pesto. Tulsi is revered for its anti-anxiety and antidepressant effects, helping your body adapt to all kinds of stress. It's also a powerful antioxidant. For pesto, blend 2 cups fresh tulsi leaves, half cup walnuts or pine nuts, 2 garlic cloves, half cup parmesan or vegan cheese, juice of half a lemon, and half cup olive oil. Walnuts and olive oil add brain-boosting nutrients. Use this pesto on pasta, sandwiches, or roasted veggies. It's a delicious way to support your mental well-being. Make your meals work harder for you. Finally, a customizable adaptogenic granola for all-day energy. Choose adaptogens that fit your needs. Cordyceps for endurance, lion's mane for focus, or maca for hormonal balance. Mix 3 cups rolled oats, 1 cup mixed nuts, seeds, half cup melted coconut oil, half cup honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of your chosen adaptogen powder. Combine wet and dry ingredients, spread on a baking sheet, and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes. Let cool for crunch. Store in an airtight container for a fiber-rich, nutrient-dense snack. Sprinkle on yogurt, eat with milk, or snack by the handful. Enjoy sustained energy and targeted adaptogenic benefits. Unlike caffeine or quick fixes, adaptogens help restore your body's natural balance. These recipes are about building nourishing rituals for real resilience. Adaptogens support your system at a cellular level, helping you thrive, not just survive. Try these recipes and notice your energy, sleep, and calm improve over time. The effects are subtle at first, but with consistency, they're profound. By integrating these ancient plants, you're taking a powerful step toward mastering stress. We here at Dr. Green Geek would like to thank you for joining us. To make things a little easier for you, we have included all the recipes, ingredients, and instructions below. Also, we have included some useful informational resources on adaptogens so you can further research on your own about these truly wonderful, natural gifts of stress reduction. If you would like more holistic recipes, information on all the newest and trending holistic alternatives, give this video a like. And as always, if you have tried any of these recipes, we would love to hear from you. Make sure to drop a comment below. Here's to your health and resilience.